What's up, fam? Sneak Geek back today. We got another sneaker drop that we're doing for you guys. Literally been holding on to these joints again so I can show them to you guys before I wear them. Went on vacay, so I wasn't able to pack a lot of stuff that I wanted to pack, so I wasn't able to bring these, so I wasn't able to do the video for you guys. Hold on. Put that up real quick. But yeah, so let me get this started and we'll get into this video. Today we got another pair of literally the hottest shoe out right now. I feel like my video numbers will tell you the same, but we got another pair of Nike Court Legacies. Like I said, I really loved this shoe when I first got them, so I knew I was going to end up grabbing all the colorways that I could. These ones that I got right here, so we got white and cerulean gum light brown. So you know the gum bottoms are the light brown. Cerulean is going to be the swoosh, I do believe. But yeah, the Nike Court Legacies, I'm wearing a pair of them right now. You guys remember this review, they're like my favorite shoe. So fucking solid. Love these shoes, they're so well made. I just got back from San Diego. I went out there for like a week. I took a couple pair of shoes, but to be honest, those were the only shoe that I wore for the most part. They were perfect for going to the beach, walking the pier, going out to eat, just hanging around at the hotel, outside smoking. They were perfect for whatever I felt like doing. Shorts, jeans, however I dressed, they went with everything. So let's get into these white and cerulean gum light brown Nike Court Legacies, you guys. Gotta keep the receipt, so y'all know I'm not lying. These dead stock. Oh, I got excited. I really love cerulean, light blue, baby blue, however you want to call it, and these are fucking amazing. Like, I'm so in love with these shoes already. I literally was waiting to do this video for you guys so I could wear them, and I'm about to put them on as soon as I'm done doing the video, so you guys will get the on feet today. But yeah, let's get into it. So a couple of differences right off the back. That big tan streak that I like so much on the original colorway that I told you guys about, it's white on this one, which is, hold on, I'm sorry, this could have been a little bit loud. It's white, so it's a little bit of a different pop, unlike those tan ones that was on there, because it's leather white, and then you got like some upholstery white, and then you got the rubber. So the three different whites, they have a different tone to each of them, but they all work together for whatever reason. And then you got the black strip going across. Not gonna lie, I wish that black strip would have been cerulean like the swoosh, but it works. I really like it. It still works out. And then you got the light gum brown bottles. These are always super solid. Any shoe that I could get with a gum bottom on it, trust me, I'm buying it just because they look so good with that. Shoes are comfortable as hell. There's not really too many differences in these ones, you guys. The tongue is a little bit baby blue or cerulean, however you want to say it. If you can tell in the camera, I can't tell if you can tell too much. But yeah, I'm real excited about these shoes. Like I said, they're super comfortable. Dropping ashes. Yeah, I'm really excited to put these on. Like I said, they're perfect for like a boat shoe. Shit, you about to go chill at the court with the homies, you about to go out to eat, you just out riding around. Me, I'm at work today, so I'm about to throw these on. They're super comfortable. Yeah, so here we go, guys. Got the cerulean and white Nike Court Legacies. Like I said, literally the hottest shoe out right now. They got a bunch of different colorways. I know I'm grabbing all of them. This was just the second one. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Remember, again, if you do like these videos, please like them. Please comment on them. It really helps out a lot. Subscribe to the channel, Sneak Geek, please. Yeah. And you guys have been watching the videos, fucking with what I've been doing. So we're going to send out some more. I got some more coming up. Hope you guys enjoy.